Kia ora, I'm David Chaston with 90 at 9, brought to you by interest.co.nz. This week, everything you need to know at 90 seconds at 9 o'clock. With news, yields are climbing as markets recognise the Fed is serious about wanting to see sustained inflation at 2%. And the US economy just keeps powering ahead, and that is hurting equity valuations today. But first, the overnight dairy auction brought higher prices. In US dollar terms, they're up 2.75% and nearly making back the drop of the prior event. However, in New Zealand dollar terms, the gain was 4.2%, so risk to farm gate payout forecasts have faded for now. The rises were pretty much across the board and were led by cheddar cheese, whole milk powder and butter. In the US, the February JOLTS report delivered a little changed set of results, far better than the expected labour market retreats. Job openings actually rose slightly. Meanwhile, US factory orders came in higher than expected. New orders rose by 1.4% from the previous month in February. This was above market expectations of a 1% increase to point to further resilience in the US economy. Year on year, they rose 3.6%. Adding to the bullish theme, the US Red Book index of retail sales rose 5.2% last week compared to year-ago levels. But it's not all good news. Tesla missed its delivery targets in the first quarter of 2024 by almost 15%. That's their lowest since 2022. Their stock dived 4.8% today, but to be fair, it's been on a slide since the peak in July 2023 and has since shed more than 40%. In China, all the news is about Country Garden's current sales failures, but we've heard all that before. And German inflation eased to 2.2% in March from 2.5% the previous month. This was their lowest rate since May 2021 and moving closer to the ECB's target of 2%. The US Treasury 10-year yield is now at 4.36% and up another 3 basis points from this time yesterday. And the price of gold will start today firmer by $19 at $2,259 an ounce. And oil prices have risen another 50 US cents to be just on $84.50 a barrel in the US, while the international Brent price is now up to $88.50 a barrel. These are 5-month highs. And the Kiwi dollar starts today at just on 59.6 US cents and 20 basis points firmer than this time yesterday. Against the Aussie, we're unchanged at 91.6 Australian cents. Against the euro, we're holding at 55.4 euro cents. That all means our trade-weighted index starts today at just on 69 and actually little change from this time yesterday. You can get more news affecting the economy in New Zealand from interest.co.nz. Kia ora, I'm David Chaston, and we'll do this again